Hi, good morning everybody. Jeff here, and I just wanted to show you some of the special buys of the day today that we have going on here at Home Depot. So let's get right into it. I know a lot of people ask me all year long, everybody's always complaining, how come there's no nailer deals? Well, today we finally got some. We got some nailers and compressor deals going on. I'm going to just take a look at a few of them for you real quick, just because this is timed. As you can see up here, you only have until the end of the day. But a lot of times these deals sell out. This one is the DCN 680B. So this is the 18 gauge brad nailer tool. This is tool only, so you already have to have a battery. You could, in theory, click on one of these and order the kit with the battery, but look, $100 more just to walk away with a 2 amp hour battery, that's not a deal. So the deal is only on this kit. And it says here it's $67 off, 25% off. But let's go see what it is over at Acme and Amazon. Okay, so here we are on Acme, and their price, I'm surprised, is $299. So that's basically $100 more. Now, typically lately, Acme has been priced either lower than Home Depot, or at least they have stock of things that Home Depot doesn't have. So, but yet they say here low price guarantee, but I don't know, I'm not seeing that here. Anyway, so it's up to you to go get them to match it if you really wanted to. Let's go take a look at Amazon. Now, this is a strange one here on Amazon because they're not showing the price, which is really stupid. How do they expect you to buy it if you don't know the price? So anyway, let's add it to the cart. And so here you see they got $257. So these guys are priced somewhere between Home Depot and Acme Tools. So Home Depot has the best price on this one today. And I'll put a link to this special buy of the day page for you down in the video description below. Now we're seeing a number of Ryobi kits. And here, let's take a look and see if this pricing is any good. So they're saying it's only 15% off. You're saving $30. So yeah, it's better than nothing, I guess. And that's the problem with these nailers, is they don't often take a whole lot off when they put them on sale. Here's your cleat flooring nailer here. So if you were looking for any of that kind of stuff, if you guys do flooring, what I don't see is the compressors that they claimed were in there, unless they sold out already, but usually they would still leave them on there. But here's your hoses. So about $20 off on a 65-foot hose. And they still have some of these deals that we were showing you last week, particularly this one here, the M18 Fuel Combo Kit. And here you can see they got that multi-tool that they've thrown in. So right here, you're saving $179 or 34% off of the normal price. Yeah, and here they've got similar deals on like the DeWalt 7-tool combo kit. This tool kit was, I believe, $4.99 at the beginning of, I guess, somewhere before Black Friday started. So that's 31% off. And then you have the big Makita Toolkit as well here. Somehow, I seem to recall we've seen this one cheaper, though. I don't know, though, because I just don't follow this kit that much. So maybe those of you who have been watching the Makita stuff will know whether that's a good deal or not. It just doesn't, 13% off doesn't make me want to buy. But maybe those of you who've seen it know whether or not to buy it. You can see with Milwaukee, this is just the leftovers here from their Black Friday deals. Now, this particular one here, I think, is a nice score. Because normally, from DeWalt, this DeWalt kit is normally $149 on its own. I think we maybe, I don't know if we've seen it at $99 before, but now you're getting the multi-tool thrown in. So now they're upping the ante, and you can see they're saying here now you're saving almost 50% off, so $139. That's the cost of this multi-tool. That's what they sell normally, tool only. And yeah, this is part of the special buy of the day also. And if you scroll down here too, you can also see they've got some deals on the O.P.E, your snow blowers, $100 off on some of them, right? So I'm not going to go into every single one of these deals. Here's chainsaws. People have been asking me about chainsaw deals from Milwaukee, the M18 Fuel 16-inch long. So this one here is $90 off, only 16%. So some deals are much better than others. And I'll leave it to you folks to take a look through the rest of these to see if any of these are good for you. And if you haven't seen the videos we've put up in the last week or so, you better check some of these out, like the Ace Hardware one. And also, especially this Lowe's huge clearance tool deal that we showed you a couple of days ago. What's happening here is we showed you some really great clearance deals. Many are 50% off, but many of you are reporting that it's much, much lower when you got into your stores. Particularly some of the ones like where Marius from Mastering Mayhem is. All of you guys that are out in like the Austin, the San Antonio area in Texas are finding it. And I'm hearing from all over the country from people who are going in and finding a lot of these deals that we were showing you just ridiculously priced. We're talking kits that were $129 on sale at Black Friday, and now they're going as low as $17, $29, $59. You know, it's just amazing depending on where you're at. So make sure you check this video out here. Don't miss out on this one. So have a great day, folks. Happy hunting, and we'll see you on the next one.